In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the AfterShip order tracking app into your Shopify store, enhancing your ability to manage shipments and keep your customers informed. We'll break this process down into manageable steps, so even if you're new to Shopify or apps like AfterShip, you'll find it easy to follow along. First things first, navigate to Shopify. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and entering the Shopify URL, or simply searching for Shopify on Google and clicking through to the main site. Once you're there, log into your store account using your credentials. This will take you to your store's admin panel where you manage everything from products to customer orders. Now the next step is to head over to the Shopify App Store. You can find this by looking at the left-hand menu in your admin panel and clicking on Apps. You'll be redirected to an area where you can search for and discover hundreds of apps designed to optimize various facets of your Shopify store. In the search bar, type in AfterShip order tracking and press enter. You'll see the app listed in the search results. Click on it to open the app page where you can read more about its features and benefits. AfterShip is a powerful tool that helps merchants process and track their shipments while providing valuable shipping information to customers. It's trusted by thousands of Shopify users for its efficiency and reliability in managing order tracking. When you're ready, hit Add App to begin the installation process. The app will prompt you to authorize its use in your store, providing reassurance that it's safe and secure. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. If you're installing apps for the first time, remember that Shopify makes this straightforward with step-by-step guides directly in the admin interface. Once you've successfully installed AfterShip, you'll need to set it up according to your specific business needs. This includes importing your shipments and adding carriers that you work with. AfterShip supports a massive range of carriers globally, and setting them up ensures your tracking information is accurate and up to date. In your dashboard, you'll find intuitive prompts guiding you on how to link your existing shipments and sync them with AfterShip's system. This might involve importing data or manually entering shipment details. After completing these steps, your AfterShip order tracking app should be all set up to provide you and your customers with detailed tracking information. The installation and initial setup can be done in a matter of minutes, yet the benefits, in terms of customer satisfaction and operational efficiency, are substantial. And there you have it. You've seamlessly integrated AfterShip into your Shopify store, setting the stage for smoother shipping operations and happier customers. If you've followed this guide, your store is now ready to provide enhanced shipment tracking, a crucial step towards better customer service and experiencing fewer order-related inquiries.